First and foremost, do not get intimidated by this question. It's long, it's an annoying story, the equations look scary, but guess what? We don't need to write the equations. We have 4 here. We just test them against the story. So focus on the differences. Narrow your focus to 1 or 2 things at a time. The first thing I see is that all of these last equations are kind of simple, but also slightly different, right? Is it equal to 5,276 or is it equal to 163? Well, what do x and y represent? In this case, x is the total number of days of sedans, y is the total days of SUVs. So what are the total days? Well, the totaling to 163 days. So I need this component here. So that means that A and C are going to be wrong. I do not want to have it equal to 5,276. That's not a total number of days. That's a total number of dollars. So it's the wrong value. Then you probably know from here what to do. You've seen equations like this before. Choice B is the answer. This is really just a matter of knowing that when we have a rate, it's going to multiply by the value, not divide. So x is the number of days, and 28, for example, is the price per day. So we would multiply, right? Because if it were, let's say, 2 days, it wouldn't be 2 divided by 28. That's like a small fraction. It would be 2 times 28, right? You'd pay $56. So this question looks intimidating because of the story, but it's really, really, really easy because we don't really need to do any math at all. So you can't get this wrong. Just go 1 step at a time, break the choices down into smaller choices, and this is much easier to digest, though it is not easy to say.